Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 207 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is a gentle practice to find steadiness in your breath, letting each inhale and exhale bring a little more ease. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Feel your body settling with each breath. Notice how your shoulders lower and how your chest gently rises and falls. If your mind wanders, simply come back to your breath. Inhale calm and exhale tension. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.